tray that has your watercolors, your water bowl, and a mixing tray, you'll need to get a color wheel worksheet and you'll be ready to go. First thing you need to do is get your watercolors ready to paint. So they need water to work. So I just add a little puddle into each one so that they're ready to use. I'm going to start by painting my primary color sections on my color wheel. That would be the yellow, red, and blue. You're going to fill in your area completely. Remember to keep a ballerina brush. Stir out your brush between colors. So next we're going to paint our secondary colors. These are colors that are made when you mix your primaries together. That would be purple, orange, and green. You can use the colors in the paint, or if you want to mix them, you can mix them. The color wheel is designed to help you know how to mix colors. So if you can identify the primary colors, you can figure out how to get your secondaries, because your yellow and your red mix together to create that orange. So the orange sits between the yellow and the red. Same for the green and the purple. Next, we have our tertiary colors, or our intermediate colors. These you get when you mix the primary and the secondary together. Remember that our color wheel tells us how to mix them. So in between each slot, I'm mixing the colors that are next to it. So for yellow-orange, I'm mixing the yellow and the orange. Remember to keep your watercolor palette clean of the colors that don't belong. So if I'm mixing yellow and orange, I'm taking the yellow to my palette, cleaning out my brush before I go into the orange to bring the orange to my palette. If you're getting too much of one color, for example, you're trying to mix red, purple, but there's too much purple, then you just need to add more red to it. Just make sure your brush is clean when you go into your watercolor palette. You should have a beautiful color wheel when you're all done.